That's a glorified chicken nugget.
It is chicken nugget.
That's a chicken nugget. That ain't no wing.
It could be a chicken tender if it's big enough.
Okay?
You're
That's
right.
not a wing. Wings got bones in it.
You're right.
There's no such thing as boneless wings.
Well, there's just boneless
Tell him.
that are much easier to eat, and then you don't have to grab all your napkins.
I can see the point
What's wrong
of that.
with y'all?
The grinders, death wings, baby. Hey, look here, y'all. My sister-in-law said she gonna give me the 12 death wings. We'll see if I can handle that. Hey, look here, y'all. They done brought some gloves out here talking about don't touch the wings without the gloves, but watch me. All right, y'all. The death wings have arrived, but I already had one here, but we didn't get that on tape, so I gotta do it again because I forgot to hit record or something crazy happened, but I have no problem doing it again. The phone off to my sister-in-law real quick. Still recording now?
Yeah.
Y'all can't hear the music no way. They got a good flavor too. I had to mute the background music because of YouTube's copyright restrictions. You know how that is. They nice and hot. I made the mistake of rubbing my eyes last time when I had some of that stuff on my fingers. Don't touch my face this time. I guess that's why they gave me them gloves.
You want me to stop?
Look at y'all. These wings are the real deal. This shit is hot. If y'all ain't burning, if I ain't sweating or my eyes ain't watering, this shit ain't hot. This the real deal. Check grinders out when y'all can. The death wings, baby.
You ready?
Yeah.
Check it out. Yeah, that's one. That's two.
You said you're giving him $20 to eat all of them?
Yeah, if you eat all three of them, it's $20.
See how fast you eat the meat?
Nah, nigga.
This is the one that's
you
in the
don't
bone.
eat it, nigga. Come on. Get through that one
Dude,
first.
that's
That's the last one right there. Yeah,
Get out and get him, man. Go get him.
Go get it, Finn.
Go get him,
My
man.
girl
Go
got
get
the
him.
corn. Go get his ass. Look.
Go get him, man.
Hey, watch this nigga get nigga. He's so hot. Look at his shit's dragging around.
All right, let's get it.
throw that shit on the ground.
Watch spin.
It was then he knew he had messed up.
It's just coming off. Look.
Hey, take it.
Look, he's so hot. He could open his mouth, nigga.
Look, he's stripping off all his clothes.
He flinching. And more, he flinching, nigga.
Oh, he had to jump.
How many you got
Oh
left?
my God. Hey, he's through right now.
Hey, the ground wet too. Y'all come out his
Right.
That's what I said. He threw shit on the
He come off his shoes. Nah, he about to come out his shoes, nigga. Watch.
He coming out with your shirt on the ground and everything. He walking like a big old whale. He look like a big old fat whale. Look at him.
He learn to dance.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, do not rub your eyes.
He coughing.
He can't get it out.
Yeah.
That's what you don't want to do, bro, because you're going to burn your nose and everything. You start trying to cough that shit up.
He's trying to get him. He's trying to get him.
Look, it's all out. He
This one gonna kill me.
You see, go to the basket.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him.
Yeah, when you're done, you better hook me up.
Acid my Ted's ass
Look, he
up.
done lit
That shit
up.
gonna really fuck you up.
He done lit it up.
Acid my Ted's ass up. Well,
That
watch.
shit gonna really fuck you up.
He can't look at them doing
You
something.
can't drink enough
Hey, watch him hit him, boy. Watch him throw that cap. He hit him. Watch him hit him again. You gonna throw that cap, nigga.
I ain't touching that damn thing.
What's the?
I ain't touching that.
I watch this nigga. He about to throw his cap. Nigga, so
He's
bad.
gone.
Hey, keep going. My real got him still. Wow, yeah.
You come to gas. She's gonna go get you some milk. Are you eating that one?
He can't help it. Yeah, he on a marathon. He can't help it. Gotta keep going. He's sweating a little bit and everything. Hey, that nigga's look.
He gave him the wing.
Yeah, he gave it to him.
Hey, watch what he say though. Look, I got 5 minute rule, nigga. Put that shit up, nigga. Watch this shit, y'all. Listen, y'all. Listen.
Did the gorilla boy.
Are you gonna try it?
Back to my husband again.
Oh, yeah,
Are you
yeah.
about to try it?
Yeah.
I got a ulcer. I'm in the hospital. Wait for him.
Look, he got that motherfucker in his hand. You know.